Hello and welcome. My name is Nancy Marks and I'm the instructor for several sections of Math 97 this quarter. So hopefully you've signed up for Math 97 with Marks as the instructor. And one of the first things I like to share with students is how to get in touch with me. Please email me. That's the best way to reach me, especially teaching remotely. Email me at nancy.marks, M-A-R-X, at email.edcc.edu. I've been working at Edmonds College for just over 10 years. Most of those classes I've taught have been in the math department at the pre-college math level, algebra. I enjoy teaching algebra a lot. Math 97 is a good class. It goes fast, you work hard, but it's doable. And as long as you keep up with the material and do some math nearly every day, you should be okay passing. If you do fall behind, let me know as soon as possible and we can work together to figure out how to get you caught up so you can pass the class this quarter. In addition to me working from home, my husband also works from home. He's an engineer for Boeing, soon to retire. Retirement's a whole nother issue. We haven't yet figured out how that's going to work. And our child is also living at home currently and going to school remotely. They are a student in neuroscience at the University of Washington, starting their second year in the graduate program there. Really starting to get into the meat of what a graduate student is. I really enjoy teaching math. I like working at Edmonds Community College. The people I work with and the students are all wonderful. They make my job good. Algebra's fine. I mean, I like algebra, but it's the students I work with that make it good. If you have other questions, other things you'd like to know about me, please feel free to ask. Naturally, I have the right to refuse to answer any personal questions, but most of the time I don't object. I'm happy to share most of what I'm doing with my students. Sometimes it helps to know if someone else is having struggles with this or that, or just sometimes how frustrating life can be, because math sometimes gets frustrating. School sometimes gets frustrating, but hopefully if it does, you'll ask for help and we can figure out a way to make it somewhat less frustrating for you. Your next job is to write an introduction to yourself, of yourself to the class, for both your fellow students and for me, so we can get to know you better. I do have some group work I'm hoping to get done this quarter, and always it's a good idea to form study groups with other people in your classes, and if you get to know each other, it's a lot easier to make a study group. To introduce yourself to class, please go to the introductory discussion. You can find that in Module 1 in Canvas. And introduce yourself. I also want you to post a picture, preferably a picture of yourself, but if you're hesitant to share a picture of yourself, you can pick any other image you'd like to share. Just something that is significant to you, so that I have some image to connect to your face. It also helps me to know how to pronounce your name, so you're welcome to make a recording pronouncing your name if there's any challenge to it. Even if I don't get to see you personally, I do want to know your name. I want to know who you are. I want to know how to best do my job teaching you Math 97. Again, if you need to get in touch with me, please email me at nancy.marks@email.edcc.edu, and I will respond relatively quickly on a school day. It may actually take until Monday morning if you email after 3 or 4 p.m. on Friday, but I will get back to you certainly Monday morning, if not before. And again, If you email me at 11 at night, I'm not up then. I'm a early morning person myself, and I will respond the next morning for those later night emails. Thank you, and I look forward to having a good quarter with you.